All right, I'm at 2224 Pleasant Drive, January 26, 2025, 3:25 in the afternoon. I'm going to simulate a roof repair. Pretty much want to test out the condition of these shingles. I'm going to have to remove a large portion of the roofing to replace these damaged roof rafters. So I want to see if we can just repair that area that we had to remove to fix those, or if that's even going to be possible. So I'm going to utilize a flat bar. I'm going to take this shingle out, simulate, putting a new shingle in, and pretty much see how the surrounding shingles will be affected by that. So I'm going to go ahead. All right, gonna lift these shingles up enough to get these nails out. All right, the nails over here. That nail went through the shingle. Now it's got a large hole in it. That shingle would remain. Alright. One more nail to take out. Maybe two. And that nail went completely through the shingle, so I'm going to pop it off. Alright, so just simulating, taking this out, doing a repair, be putting a new one back in. In this case, I'm going to put the same shingle back in. Not going to be looking at the effects on this shingle in the aftermath, because obviously in a repair this would be replaced. I'm going to be lifting these shingles up high enough to get this perpendicular to the roofing surface. Of course, you need a good quality nail. That lamination just popped off. So this shingle's delaminated now. That'll end up blowing off. This is also delaminated. Delaminated here. It's pretty much all of these laminations are becoming unbonded due to having to lift to get a new shingle on, or a new nail in it actually. Of course, shingle's gonna be harder to nail back because there's nails right here, so these are gonna be very stiff. This shingle's unbonded. You can see, like, you can just fit a nail right under there. Again, barely lifting these. Ideally, you'd want to lift these a little further, but and I can see a lot of creasing on these shingles as well. So that's not going to be good to remain. Alright, there's something going on there. Maybe I'm nailed beneath it. Alright, these shingles are in rough condition. See a lot of creasing on these shingles, pretty much along the whole top line of this. You can see crease marks here, creasing here, creasing. Of course, this was the one that we took out and put back. This is the one above it. And then we got creasing here, along here. I'm gonna wipe away all these loose granules, really get a good effect of what happens to these shingles. A lot of loose granules. But as you can see, it's just creasing, pretty much the whole shingle here. This delamination, this one's, all these are unbonded. That one's still there. This one's unbonded. I can see it's creased here, creased along there, creased up here. A lot of granule loss right here. When you feel these shingles, you can feel the integrity of them. It's just not there anymore. So I wouldn't want to leave my customer like this after we do a repair. These shingles are in a condition to just, be further damaged pretty easily. So I'm gonna call this a failure in repair.